Hello everyone, and welcome to explorerhop. Today we're being asked to convert the function f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 16 into vertex form as it is currently in standard form. So the first step would be to rewrite what we have right here in standard form, 4x squared plus 8x plus 16. And to just kind of make it easier for us, I'm going to label 4 as A, B, and C. So the second step now would be to factor out a from the first two terms. So I'll label this step 1, factor out a from just 4x squared plus 8x. So that would give us 4x squared plus 2x, and then we leave the c outside the brackets. Now I could factor out 4x, but in the interest of converting this to vertex form, we only want to factor out the coefficient and not take the variable with it. The third step in converting this to vertex form would be to add and subtract. Make sure we're adding and subtracting so that we don't change the original function, and we're essentially adding 0 by subtracting it again. We're going to add and subtract b divided by 2a squared, and I have b and a labeled here. So b is 8, 2a is also 8, so it'd be 8 over 8 squared. So we're essentially adding and subtracting 1 to the original function, or what we have right over here. So that would give us 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 16. And now the fourth step would be to take out this minus 1 over here, and that would give us 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. And since we're taking out the minus 1, we have to remember to multiply it by the coefficient, and that would give us plus 16 minus 4, because minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. And finally, we can just finalize this into vertex form. We get 4 times whatever this is factored, which happens to be x plus 1 squared, plus 16 minus 4, which is just plus 12. And I'm going to go ahead and finalize this answer by adding f of x equals to it. And there we have our answer in vertex form. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.